Okay, this is more of an RV park than a campground. Really crowded. It's just a typical weekend. These really big trailers. And there's my little scamp hanging in the back. It's so fun. It's kind of the way it is at all the campgrounds now. Yeah, this is a little too crowded for me here. I'm doing okay though. Oh, there's a little teardrop. Well, mine's tiny. That's not compared to theirs. Those are one of those ones you just sleep in and that's it, I think. I don't know. I just met someone in a 17-foot casita and she let me go in and look at it. That was really nice. But here's my little spot. It's not too bad. Yeah, and this is not at all what I thought when I wanted to park next to the Mississippi River. At least I can see it. I didn't record my last COE campground, but then I couldn't see the Mississippi at all. There's a lot more room between campgrounds there. These are just really shoved in here. That's okay. That's okay. I can handle it. There's another section over here. Let's see how close they are to the river. Yeah, it's about the same. So there's no really, in these campgrounds, there's no real river sites like at my free place in Missouri. I mean, you literally can pull up and park right next to the river. Not at these. I was gonna say these are the best sites in the whole place. Oh, they got them closed off. What they are is tent sites. That's pretty nice. Well, these are the best campsites in all the place. Oh, my cozy little home for the next day. I don't know. Just really a crowded campsite. I don't know. I'm doing okay though. I'm gonna set out here and take video every time a train goes by.